So hello everyone, today we'll talk about the regular expression. So let's get started. So what is a regular expression? Regular expression is just a very notation to specify a set of the strings. Regular expression is widely used in the software engineering world where, for example, you need to verify the email or you need to verify the phone number. Like, for example, when you sign up, when you fill up some form, um, the email that you write should follow some pattern. Like here, your personal ID of the email and the email where your account is located. Also, the phone numbers they should follow some kind of some pattern. Like first one should be plus sign, then 7, then for example your personal carrier, and then your personal digits. And But how to verify that these patterns follow the rule? In order to verify the email, that the format of the email or the mobile phone is correct, usually is used a regular expression. So regular expression is very similar to the substring search, the topic that we covered before, but a regular expression is more wide and it's more powerful. Like you don't need to specify the exact text that you are looking for. You may just specify just some patterns that you're looking for. So regular expressions widely used in scanning for the virus signatures, in the processing the natural language, or maybe you need to just specify the programming language, in accessing information in digital libraries, and of course you need regular expressions, as I said before, can be used in order to validate the data and try fields. The fields can be like dates, email, URL, and credit card number. A regular expression consists of the four main operations. It's a concatenation or closure or parenthesis. So what is a concatenation? Concatenation is very simple operation where you just specify the exact patterns that you're looking for. For example here, let's say that we have the regular expression AAB, AAB. So it means that we're looking for these characters. And regular expression just returns the exact match. If we have the, for example, in text this string, in that case, a regular expression verifies that it matches our regular expression. In all other cases, all other strings, it means it doesn't match to our regular expression. Here, A, B is just very simple, any kind of characters. Second operation is OR. In OR, we give two alternatives. Like here, we say that we're looking for option 1, it's AA, or option 2 is BAAB. So if we have the string AA or BAAB, in that case, a regular expression would verify verify our pattern. And in order to specify that it is the OR operator, we can just use the vertical bar symbol, like here. This vertical bar symbol denotes that this is the OR operation. Second regular expression, third regular expression operation is a closure. In a closure, we use star sign in order to say that we're looking for 0 or more repetition of that character or characters. For example, here we have A, B, star sign, and A. It means that first we're looking, our pattern starts with A, then we may have B 0 or more times, and then we're looking for the A. So here this would satisfy our regular expression. This one also, because here first we have A, then B repeats more than 0 times, and in the end A. This one wouldn't satisfy our regular expression because, as you can see, it starts with the A, then we have the B, but we don't have the third A. And this one also wouldn't satisfy our regular expression because, as you can see, it starts with the A, then we have B, then it follows with A, then again B, but B should repeat 0 or more times without having the A between the B's. That's why this one it's not satisfy our regular expression. And the last operator is a parenthesis. In parentheses, we just specify some like group of the characters, or we just specify very special kind of operator. For example, here we have the regular expression C, then inside of the bracket we have the OR operator. It says that option 1 is the, so we have the A, then AC or B, and D. So it means that this pattern would satisfy our regular expression. Or maybe this one. Here it's more complex. It consists of the many brackets. The first, inside of the first bracket we have two options like A and C. So one of these two options. Then we have another brackets. It's a B and C, and it's one of these two options. It's a B or C, and then D. And for example, here, as you can see, the first, this would satisfy our regular expression because it consists of this A, then this B, and then D. And all other patterns satisfy our regular expression. This one says that it uses also closure operator, but because these two characters are inside of the bracket, it means this closure operator related to these two characters, like AB, may repeat 0 or more times. So this example would satisfy our regular expression. So even more examples. Here we have A, then we used OR operator, so it means it's either A or B, and then AAB. So this one would satisfy our regular expression. Then another example, here we have the AB inside of the bracket, then closure operator A. So it means that AB may repeat 0 or more times. That's why this one would satisfy our regular expression as well as this one, but not this one, because after the A we should have B, and here we don't have the B. This one also wouldn't satisfy because, as you can see, we have the AB, but before B we don't have the A, and that's why this also doesn't satisfy our regular expression. Even more examples. Here we say that we have two parentheses. In the first parenthesis we have the A or B. In second parenthesis we have C or D. So this one would satisfy our condition. Second example is it has only one parenthesis, and but it involves the OR bracket, OR operator, or closure operator. So it means that B or C, it may repeat 0 or more times. So this one would satisfy our regular expression. This one even more complex operator, a bit long. It consists, like here it says that we may have the A that repeats 0 or more times, or we have here the group of the characters that each of them, like here, may repeat 0 or more times, and all of them, they should repeat 0 or more times. And sometimes the regular expression can be very long, and if it is long, it's very complex. It's hard to read, and that's why we have the shortcuts. So in the shortcuts, we just make our regular expression shorter, and it adds even more some kind of functionalities. So for example, here, the first group of the shortcuts is a set of the characters, descriptors. So here the first one is called wildcard, and it's we use dot notation to specify the single character. And for example, here, if we have this kind of regular expression a and b, it means that our pattern would satisfy the condition when we have first a, then any only one character, any single character, and then b. So here it can be, for example, C, it can be D, it can be even 2 or 3, and all of this would satisfy our condition, but it should be only single and it should be between A and B. Second is the specified set, and it's we use the square brackets. In square brackets, this one means that any of these characters. And here we have the closure bracket operator. That means that it's this any of the characters may repeat 0 or more times. The next one is a range. We don't need to specify. If, for example, we want to say that we want to use the letters, we don't need to specify all the letters in our alphabet. We just can say that it's in a range of A and Z. And also please pay attention on the case. It's uppercase. It means that we are looking for the letters that uppercase. Or maybe we can just specify 0 and 9. It means that we are looking for the digits only. And the next is a complement, is when we say that we are looking for the characters that is not in that our set. And it's also used with the square brackets and this sign. Like here we say that we're looking for the chart like text where we don't have this kind of characters, and it's not repeat 0 or more times. Next one is closure shortcuts. Closure shortcuts makes the like regular expressions with the shortcuts very small. The first one is called at least. It means we use plus sign. It means that, for example, here AB should repeat at least once. It means one or more. So if we wouldn't use shortcuts, the simple regular expression would look like this, like AB. Then AB would repeat 0 or more times. Next option is a 0 or 1. We use the question mark for that, and here AB, like it may repeat 0 or 1 only, and the simple shortcut for like simple regular expression for that would be just using the element of or AB. This one also means 0 or 1. We can also specify the exact number, how many times it should repeat, and in order to to do that, we can use just curly brackets. And here we say that AB may repeat should repeat 3 times, and just simple regular expression would just written like 3 times here. Or we can just say not exact number, but we say that it should be in some kind of range. And in order to use the range, we just add this sign and then write the two numbers, like, and it's a shortcut for this regular expression. Like we say that AB, it should be AB or AB, like two. It can be once or 2 times. And the last one is escape sequences. Escape sequences allows to use the characters that are involved in using the regular expressions. For example, let's say that we are looking for the pattern which includes the dot. Like we say that that pattern should have the dot. But if we just write the simple dot, it would mean that we are using wildcard. But in order to use just simple dot, not wildcard, we need to use escape sequence. In order to just specify just simple dot, we just need to escape sequence and dot. There are other examples, like if we want to just specify the escape character, like when we need to specify the backlash character, we just need to write 2 times. Then we can just use the backlash character nt. It means that we are using the, like, we're looking for the case when we have the top character. This one represents a new line. This represents a white space between the text or character.